Hello everyone, welcome back to Arshadvlog. Welcome back with another new video. So this quarantine time I feel very boring inside the house doing, so I decide to make barbecue with my roommates, with my friends. So let's get started guys. And if you are new to this channel, kindly please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications. So let's get it started guys. So now let's have a look what you need. So slice of ginger and garlic, clean it well and chop into small pieces. After you clean and add some water to blend garlic and ginger together. Blend it well. And now you need 1 tablespoon salt, 1 pepper 1.5 spoon, chili powder 1.5 spoon, and turmeric powder 1 tablespoon, and gram masala 1.5 spoon, and 1 slice of lemon, 150 ml yogurt or curd, it's your choice, and 1 tablespoon oil, and now add the curd and squeeze the lemon, add garlic ginger paste that we made before and mix together, mix it well and keep it aside for 30 minutes to get more tasty. And now drain the chicken and cut into pieces how you need the size, and wash with the water well, clean it well. Again just slice the chicken little small like this. Now mix with chicken that we make mixer before, mix with the chicken very well and keep it aside again 30 minutes. So while chicken waiting, we're going to arrange the barbecue stand. Heat some charcoal, spread into the barbecue stand properly, nice and neatly. We add some barbecue sauce to the chicken while charcoal burning. So finally now also it's time to cook chicken. So we place the chicken into barbecue stand, cook it well both sides, turn around 1 minute like that, cook it well. So guys, finally barbecue done. So this is how I made barbecue in home. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly please subscribe the channel and like this video, drop your comments below, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get notification and share with your friends. So see you soon with another new video. Till that, stay home, save your life. Bye bye.